Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I love filming my project for the week or of the day, and this week I'm filming the restocking of our mini fridge. These mini fridges are a perfect addition to any home, as mini fridges tend to be very versatile. They're also quite portable, which means you can move them from one place to another. Now, these can be used in the family room or in the home theater. These are ideal for the bedroom or for younger children who can help themselves to snacks. For us, this is my parents' bedroom mini fridge, and I keep this well stocked. My dad loves snacking, and when I and the mini adults, whoever is home, go upstairs to say goodnight to Nanaji, we tend to grab something and share it out just for recreational purposes. The interior of this fridge is pretty small, as you can see, so you have to maximize the space. I have this set of containers that fit perfectly in this fridge. My usual acrylic containers with lids and some bins. Let's take everything out and start restocking. At this point, I have no idea which containers will go back in and which will not be in use. In this container, I have these mini sodas, Coke and Sprite. Mini is good. You can satisfy the craving without overindulging. And in the next one, I have added juices. Apple juice, and this is Raveena blackcurrant juice. My mini adults absolutely love Raveena. And in this little space here, mini banana milk packs. A mini fridge means mini everything, so you can get more into it. On this side, I have lychee pudding, very processed, but my dad loves it. And we have chocolate pudding. I'm also adding these mini Japanese coffee cans, just getting as much as I can in here. Now, having made the most of the space, we also need to maximize the usage of the door. More than edible snacks, we tend to go for drinks. So I stock quite a few varieties. This space here would be ideal if you have a wine bottle or even a large water bottle, but I'm just adding some Capri-Sun here. And in this tiny space, I'm adding some Ritter's white chocolate. I love these. And in this little space right at the top, there is a tiny freezer. I've got 2 containers which fit perfectly in here, and I'm just going to fill those with ice cream. These are mini canettos, which are like a mini cone with ice cream in it. It comes in 2 flavors, and the Magnum comes in 3 flavors, so I'm just going to put in 1 of each. I have already maximized the use of the fridge, but I still do have a few items I want to add which do not need refrigeration. I'm using this wooden sage-colored tray with a rattan weave inside. These are mini bruschetta in a mini packet in different flavors, and these are hazelnut oat crackers. And I also have some leftover nuts from earlier, which I have put into a mason jar. And this beautiful textured, also sage-colored plate is so perfect. It's a piece of decor that slips into this narrow space between the legs of the tray and the top of the fridge. But besides decor, this plate is ideal to be pulled out for use as a plate for crackers or even for shells of pistachios or nuts. It's really multifunctional. You might have noticed, or I should say you might remember, having seen these containers in other parts of my kitchen. That's the benefit of having one color or style. As you know, I only buy acrylic containers and bins because that way I can mix and match them to my needs without sacrificing the visual aesthetic. Here's what's going to happen. In a couple of days, less than a week, I will need to restock. There will be some items still in there, so it will be time to refill. The things that go into the fridge next time will vary. But keeping it stocked keeps my family excited to see what they will find when they open the door. It's almost like an open sesame, and you see what magic happens, what there is inside. This is what stylish homemaking is all about. Doing what we do and a little extra. It's the eye for detail that makes homemaking more rewarding and more impressive. A content family is what our journey is all about. You can read more about the art of stylish homemaking in my blog, and the link will be in the description box. I would also like to take this opportunity to let all my Malaysian followers and clients know that we are doing in-house consultation and services again. We are still continuing to do our virtual organization sessions, and you can get more details from the Raveena at Home site. And with that, this is Raveena Singh saying, happy homemaking.